Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring your BingX account is verified and secured with 2FA because safety matters. Once done, fund the wallet with the base currency you plan to trade, making sure funds are in the correct spot or margin wallet. Next, enable an API key only if you need external automation. Store the key and secret offline. Make sure fees and minimums are understood so the bot won't fail on insufficient balance, and proceed to the bot panel. You now pick the bot type that matches your goal: grid for range trading, DCA for scaling into positions, or arbitrage for spreads, because each behaves differently. Once chosen, set precise parameters: entry and exit prices, order sizes, grid spacing, and a stop loss. These control risk and capital efficiency. Then define maximum drawdown, take profit percentage, and active trading hours to avoid illiquid periods. Finally, validate by running a short demo or a small live allocation to confirm behavior. You start the bot and watch the first 1 to 3 cycles closely so you see how orders fill and how PNL evolves. Make sure to monitor open orders, margin usage, and slippage. Adjust grid spacing or order size if market volatility causes unexpected fills. If the bot behaves incorrectly, pause it immediately, then check API permissions, account balance, and exchange connectivity. If problems persist, reduce allocation and rerun a short test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.